What's up, all you beautiful people of the internet? How you guys doing? Look at this. We got sunshine, and it's a little cold today here in Vermont. It's about 16 degrees, but got some fresh pow. Got the sled up on the hill over there. Today, my friends, we'll be putting on another exhaust on the Polaris Assault 800. If you remember a couple videos back, I teamed up with GGB Exhaust, the top of the line in snowmobile exhaust, to do a 3-part series of putting brand new exhausts on the Polaris Assault 800. So last time we did the quiet can, and this time we will be doing the trail can, followed by the mountain can, which will be in the next video. Again, if you hadn't heard, comment down below. The first 800 comments are entered to win one of the exhausts that I will not be using. Enter down below, first 800 comments, and let's get it. Gonna hop inside, get on my helmet, and we're gonna be, first we're gonna take a little rip out in the fields just to give you guys a kind of feel for the stock exhaust, which is still on it, and then we'll be throwing on the new trail can and seeing how that compares. So let's get it. I'll get my helmet and we'll go. Alright guys, so this clip right here actually happened after I put the new exhaust on and I did all everything you're about to see. I've been having troubles with my camera lately, and the file got deleted, so now I'm going back out and showing you the stock exhaust, which I just threw back on there to show you what it sounds like with stock exhaust. At idle, here it is. And then after this clip, we'll put the new exhaust on and you'll see that bit. So that's what's up if it looks a little weird, but I've been having some trouble starting this thing actually. I got up this morning, fired up, I pulled probably 10 times and there was nothing, so I was worried I fouled some plugs again, but I think I found the culprit. And I think it's the tether cord right here. I think it's a little bit finicky. So, well, she's ripping now. I am letting it warm up, so nobody give me crap down in the comments. But yeah, we're just gonna go out for a quick rip so you can hear what the stock exhaust sounds like, and then compare it to the new GGB exhaust. Isn't this thing freaking beautiful though? Oh, you haven't seen yet, actually. If you're noticing, maybe some of you noticed I'm missing a mirror. You haven't seen that bit yet, I don't think. Maybe you have if you follow my social media, which you should, down in the description. Go check it out. Maybe I'll put it on the screen right now too. I'll probably forget, but check me out on social media, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat. Do it, please. She's a little bit frozen. Should probably tighten up my shocks. I got Walker Evans racing shocks on this bad boy. I think I might harden them up a little bit. Hey, let's check the mail again. Nothing. Alright, so I was getting a little worried with my other helmet, so I swapped out my other motorcycle helmet for this one right here. Boom, HJC right there. The other helmet, the microphone piece was getting messed up. At the end of the last clip, it actually cut off completely. And I never know until after the fact when I'm checking it on my computer. So I swapped out helmets just to make sure. Hopefully you guys can hear me right now. But hey, got the GGB exhaust. Hopefully that thing is cooled down. We can slap this bugger on there. There's the old girl. God, isn't that a beautiful sled? I just think these sleds look so awesome. I love it. This was my dream sled, like I said. And now I finally have one. Anyways, let's get it. There. Oh yeah. She's good. Let me get my handy dandy tools here. I got a screwdriver. And I thought of this today when I was looking for my screwdriver. I could just use an Allen key maybe to hook onto these and pull it. I don't know, something I thought of. And then of course, I got a random wrench just for, I don't know. I tried to look for some needle nose, I couldn't find them. So, I gotta deal with these. I have a feeling I'm gonna be bleeding by the end of this. It's usually what happens. Okay, here we go. We got one here. Yeah. One down. So ideally you would want your needle nose pliers, but if you're in a pinch, like me apparently, you can do it with a screwdriver. But either way, the only thing you have to do to install this is to take these springs off, and literally that just plugs right into here, and it's so simple. It's the easiest thing you could ever do. Just plug and play. Nothing else you got to do with the GGB exhaust, which is so cool. You buy it, you throw it on, and then you rip, and you have a grand old time doing it. I'm just so excited to hear what this sounds like. Super pumped. There we go. Two, I think there's one more down there. Oh no, there we go. We got it. That's a stock exhaust right there. Big, bulky, heavy thing. That's it. Whip out my handy dandy pocket knife. So this is exactly what it's gonna look like when you open up your brand new exhaust that you're gonna buy from the website down in my description. Just like that. Okay. Oh my God. So beautiful. It is so beautiful. Look at that. GGB. Wow. Wow. Super light too. Right off the bat, I noticed a huge difference. Let's just check the size. Look at that. Look at that. Major weight reduction right there. And it looks a lot better too. Like, this thing is so ugly and clunky, and this thing's so small and smooth and beautiful. So there it is, guys, the trail can from GGB Exhaust, which you can check out down below in the description on the GGB website. Guys, GGB is the top of the line, like I said. You can't get much better than this. These are the guys for snowmobile exhaust. So go check them out. I highly suggest it. All right, so now the fun part, throwing it on there. Check out how easy this is. You got your little resting point right there. Just pop that on, just like that. Boom. And then all you gotta do is put the springs on. That is it. That is how easy it is. Isn't that a beautiful thing? One spring on, that was easy. A lot easier than taking them off, that's for sure. But seriously though, check out what that looks like in there and how small it is compared to the big bulky one we got right there. Look at that. Love it. Can't believe how easy that was to install. I wish everything went that easy. Big bulky thing. And now the fun part, my friends. Behold, the trail can from GGB Exhaust. Here we go, the first listen. I've never heard this thing before, so I'm so pumped, and you guys get to witness this with me. You ready? Oh, oh, listen to that. Wow, it's got this nice deep raspy tone. Oh, oh, I like that. I like that. I'm gonna let it warm up again, but just listen to that, guys. So it's loud, but it's not too loud. It's got this really nice, like, deep, raspy tone, like I said. I hear that popping too, that nice two-stroke sound. Love it. I can't wait to be full blast ripping this thing though. I gotta let it warm up though. I gotta be good, let it warm up. Again, guys, down in the description, I can't say this enough, go check out GGB Exhaust. If you guys have a sled or know of somebody who has a sled, send them that way. GGB is the top of the line. I keep saying that, I know, but they really are. And everybody knows it too. Like, you ask somebody, you know, what's the best snowmobile exhaust? They're gonna say GGB Exhaust. It's just what happens. Ladies and gentlemen, it is time. We got this thing up to temp. Here we go. GGB trail can right here. Oh, oh yeah. That's it. Oh, we'll try to go in the same kind of areas so you can take the previous clips with the stock exhaust. You guys hear that? Ooh. Yeah, buddy. Oh, that is so good. I love that. Wow. Full throttle. Yeah. That sounds so beautiful. Again, it's not too loud, but not too quiet. Oh yeah. I slipped on this ice over here. Hopefully you guys saw that, man. Dumped it right here. Something broke. Oh, my mirror broke off. Huh, you guys will be happy to know that. Everything else good though. Pop that sucker back in there with some glue. Well, yeah, I went for a little tumble. I've landed right here. Sled dumped right there. You didn't need that anyway, as long as I got one. Yeah. I hope I'm still recording. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. That's gonna be a good clip. Anyways, I love this trail can. Look at that. Wow. That is beautiful. I gotta say, I definitely like it better than the quiet can. That's for sure. But I mean, they have different applications, right? So I'm anxious to see what it sounds like with the audio from my GoPro, if it's too loud or not. But I definitely like it better than the quiet can. What was that? But again, they have different applications. So what is this? Looks like it's a giant hump of something. Almost dumped it again. But me, I do a lot of field riding, like you guys know, and it just this one's for me. But we haven't tried the mountain can yet. That'll be next video. Oh God, I love the sound of this thing. It's that classic. Alright guys, we're gonna end it right here.
go check out GGB Exhaust down in the description of this video right now, and plus be entered in to win one of the GGB exhausts that I have been featuring in these videos. So again, thanks for watching. Down in the comments, let me hear you. First 800 comments entered to win, but I want to hear, do you like the quiet can better, or do you like this trail can better? And what do you think the mountain can is going to be like? I suspect that'll be the best one. But let me know down in the comments. And thanks again for watching, my friends. Peace out.